Why is there smoke all over my room? Jeez, I gotta clean this mess. Shoo, 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 shoo. Beep, beep, hold the phone. Was that a smoke detector? Beep, 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 beep. You can talk, smoke detector? Yes, I am a talking smoke detector, and you better be staying away from the fire. There ain't no fire in my room. There's smoke everywhere. You are correct. There is smoke. Well, you gotta stop making that annoying sound. I'm turning you off. Haha! Too bad you can't turn me off. Ah! Did you just hit me with a hammer? Yes, I did, because it's so hilarious to do that. Finally, the smoke is all gone! I hope there's not going to be fire in my room this time. Ugh!